We're gonna make Hunan chicken. We're gonna cook it outside today. We use 12 ounces chicken dark meat, and we have to marinate the meat first. So we have to put the way to make it is we put little salt on it and little of white pepper and put egg whites in it, 1 egg white. Like that. Kind of mix them together. And we're going to put some cornstarch in it. We put enough to make it kind of blended in. Kind of blended in so it's not runny on the meat. So like that. So you can see that the soy sauce, the cornstarch kind of thickening it up. Just like a little coating on it. Kind of like coating, see. And after that, that's about right because it's not, you don't see any liquid anymore. So we put little oil in it. Corn oil, anything kind of vegetable oil, doesn't make any difference. So that's it, and that's ready. So we're gonna put some oil in a pan. So we're gonna cook the chicken first. We heat up some oil. Then you put the chicken in it. Just like that. So you kind of take time to kind of fry them up a little bit, but they don't take too long to cook for the chicken. And you don't need to turn that too fast. And you just fry them up one side first. And kind of turn them over. Yeah, because they are kind of little bigger chunks, so you have to fry them a little bit longer. Maybe just a couple more minutes. And the other way you can do it, you can just kind of use like a little spoon to cut it up. See they are cooked, you know, or you can cut through it, you know. And if you can cut through it, that's pretty much you can see it inside. They are cooked, you know. That's the way to do it, you know. Or you press it in and it go through, you know. You can see that it's cooked, you know. So you're getting there. Okay, then we're gonna pick this up. So we're gonna put the vegetable in there. So that first we're gonna put some garlic, about 2 teaspoons of garlic in it, and also some onions and ginger. A couple slices of ginger and a few onions. After that, we're gonna put half green pepper and few yellow and red pepper and the onions in it. And after that, we're going to fry this up a little bit. Then we're going to put the cooking about 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. And half teaspoon of hot pepper. And some seasoned sesame seed oil, just 1 teaspoon. And 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Okay, then we only need a little bit of water. Couple tablespoon of water. Then we're gonna make the sauce right now, and we're gonna put the chicken in it. Okay. Then we're gonna put the sauce in it. So the way we make sauce, just we use couple teaspoons of cornstarch and some water. Just like that. If it's too thick, we put more water into it. Just like that. Okay. I think the last thing we have to put some sugar in it. So we put one teaspoon of sugar in it. Okay. Then we're ready to make the sauce. So you just add some sauce in it. I think that's it. And we shut this off. We're gonna put that on the plate. Oh, that's a Hunan chicken.